Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very first product on Printify. Whether you are trying to start clothing brand, sell mugs with a cool design or just experiment with print on demand in 2025. This tutorial will help you to get started the right way. And don't worry, if you are completely new to Printify, I will explain what it is and how it works. And then you will be good to go. Now, first thing first, what is Printify? Now, Printify is a print on demand platform. That means you can create and sell custom products like t-shirt, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and more without keeping any inventory or buying products in advance. Now, here is how it works. You upload a design, choose a product, like if you want to sell mug, you can choose mug. Then if you want a Printify, connect your with a print provider. Then when someone buys your product, the print provides the print and ship it directly to the customer. So basically you never have a touch the product or worry about shipping. Printify handles that for you. Now let's jump into how to actually create your products. First thing first, what you have to do is just simply click on create your account. So I have already started to creating an account. So it will ask you first question, welcome, what bring you to Printify? I'm selling online and want to start. Now it will, after that you have to click identify. What best describe you? A content creator. So if what social media do you use? YouTube. And click on the next. How many social media followers do you have? Below 50K. Now what do you have experience with? A search optimizing, designing products, and identifying and targeting customer online. Now, do you already know where you will sell your products? Yes, I have a sale channel in my mind. No, don't I have nowhere to sell. Now I'm exploring. You can add explore as well. Just simply go back and click on I'm exploring different options. Now you can select either from uh, the Afghanistan, India, America, uh, US, United States, or anything. Just simply click on the page. I want to sell globally. Just simply click on it. How did you hear about us? YouTube. Click on the complete, and if you give a few seconds, so here we go. We have successfully created an account, and once you are in, you will be landed on your Printify demand dashboard. If you are new, it might look empty, but don't worry, we will add your first product now. Now on the left hand side, click on the catalog. As you can see, just simply click on the catalog. Over here, what you can do is just simply select the product. The hundreds of products will appear over here. You can customize it from clothing to home decor to accessories. From this tutorial, I will show you how to create a custom t-shirt, since it is one of the most popular item to sell. Now, so in this search bar, type t-shirt or which product you like. In my case, I will choose kids clothing, long sleeve sweatshirts, sportswear. So I will choose sportswear. Now, since it is one of the most popular item to sell, so in the search bar, you can just simply search t-shirt, whatever you want, you can just go for it. Now, click on the product, just add it. Now add your design over here. It will ask you to add your design. Now it will take you to design editor. This is where all the magic happens. Like, here is what each part of the screen means. uh, just give a few seconds to, so let's create a product first. Create a choice. Now choose from our best selling sportswear. So I will choose this one. Now as you can see here, just simply click on it. So we kids super jersey op, and if you want product description, we got the product description as well. Now click on the start designing. It will take you to designing. Now if you want to start the tour, you can simply start it. Now in the product info, in the on the click, it will show something like important product information over here. Just simply click on the next. In this section, you will be having a tools where you can here you will find everything need to create your design. You can simply add a design layer to get started. Now just simply here you can see in the back side, right sleeve, left sleeve, collar, and all of those things. Now on the left side, you can upload your design logo. Just simply click on the upload, choose my device. From the device, I will choose this logo which I have created from Canva. So as you can see here, layer adding to your fingertips, easily edit design layer and access features like background removal or cropping and more. Just simply click on the next. You can manage from here our design and variants. Click on the next, and here you can see a preview. Click on the next, and if once you are finished designing, you can save your product before continue to select and customize mockups. Click on it. Got it. Now in the preview, in the center, you will see a live preview of the logo which we have added. Now on the right side, you can choose the size, color, and if you want to sell for, if you want to give a variant, you can add that too. For example, S variant. Click on it, back, and we got our two variants, which is a small and the large. Now if you want to change the background color, you can change as well. Just simply click on the red if you want. Now I will choose a purple color, which is my favorite. Now let's upload a design now, and click on the like add your design and upload a png or jpg file into it. You can also add a text if you want. Just click on the add text over here, and over here you can choose font, or there are plenty of pre-built templates. You can just simply drag into it. I think just simply drop your files to upload. Okay, click on it, and it will give you this text, which is I think cool. Here we go. You can edit the text. Just simply maker is, you can change the again. So if you want to change the text, just simply double click on it, and you will get to see there is an option of text. Makers teach. Okay, the text will be going to be long, so maker is good. Maker good. Make simple. So this is our text. Now if you want to customize text, you can add that too. Just simply, if you want to give a curve text, just simply open it, and it will give a curveness to your t-shirt. Now if you want to like from up or give a circle, you can give that too, but now I want arc down. If you can customize the curveness of the text as well. Now if you want to rotate the text, you can rotate as well. So take your time here. This is what your product will look like. You have to spend time little bit fixing your trying to do some different things on your t-shirt. It is very important to make your t-shirt good looking. It will stand out. Now you have, if you want to choose colors and sizes, what you can do is just simply select the product color, as I said, like over here. You can do lots of things over here. Below that you will see a list of print providers. If you want to add something into back, just simply add, upload a logo, select from device. Let's upload this girl into our t-shirt. So here we go. This she looks cute, but it's okay. Now reposition it, and yeah, you can create it. Now if you want to use AI, for example, to anime, you can use anime. Give it a prompt, a simple enter detailed description, create a girl's image which is more excited, which is uh, image looks funny, and click on the generate. So you can attempt You can generate 15 images daily, so you will get 15 attempts. Right now I used one, so it will take few seconds to make an image of anime funny girl. Now, so here we go, we got our photo. Click on it, it will, maybe it will replace this image with the AI image. I hope that it should replace. Wait for a few seconds, and oh, it's not replaced. What you can do is just simply right click to your, okay, maybe there is a issue, I'm not able to select. Just simply put back, and over here you can add this image. So let's delete this image. How we can do that? Let's see. Now after that, if you go into preview section, just simply click on it. You will get to see the preview of your t-shirt. Wait for a few seconds to see how it's looking. It's taking lots of time, so what I'll do, I'll just simply go back. Over here you can see important production information, the download design templates. You can download it, product and design guidelines. If you want to read, you can hide this information in the future. No, I don't want to hide. Production cost will be printing $21.48. Subtotal is this. Now it's quite expensive, I believe. Now you can use my templates. If you have already created, you can give graphics. You can see in the library as well. After doing all of the customization into your t-shirt, just simply click on the save product, so it will save the product. Now let's see what it will come. As you can see here, this is unpublished. Now if you want to change something, you can change it. Right now this is our product. Just simply re-edit, click on the edit design. Now over here you will get to see some preview section, like click on it. Now so if the cost, if print shows you the cost of the produce the item, and you set your retail price. As I said earlier, it is $21 now. So if it is cost you like $21, then you have to sell it for $31. Set the price based on your market and how much profit you want to. You can also edit the product name and description here. Now once you are happy, and click on the save product. After that, you get to see you can sell your product directly from Printify, and click on the confirm. If you want to publish this, you can this. After that, you will be able to see there is option, you can connect with your store. This is optional. You can sell it to your Shopify, WooCommerce and Wix website. To do that, just click manage stores and the dashboard, and follow the step to connect your store. Once it is connected, you can publish product directly to your shop with one click. Now some tips are: always order a sample product first to check quality. Use high resolution design so the print looks sharp, and the experiment with the different types of products. Now let's click on the publish. You can connect with Shopify as well. Now view all sale channels. If you want to see, click on it. So you can connect with lot of option you will get over here. Now what I will do, I will just simply skip the store connection part. Now give a store name, maker store. Now click on the create, and yeah, we have successfully created our product. So yeah, personalize. Let's see if it is. No, I don't know. I don't. Now that's it. This is how you can create your first product on Printify. If you found this video helpful, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.